Day 11. Still here at Sosyan, China Shipyard. An update of this vlog, dry docking at the same time, retrofitting of exhaust scrubber. So let's take a tour again to the vicinity where the scrubber is installed. Let's check what is new. The last part of GRE pipes to be connected at the exhaust scrubber. The foundation base. They were all fixed and pull well. MB Hakata Queen, our vessel nearby. Also installed with exhaust gas scrubber. Let's check the engine room, the works and their tasks, the overhauling of main engine piston cylinder number 2. They were transferring the taking cylinder head of main engine piston number 2 to the safe place of working area. Inspecting the uppermost part of the cylinder liner, where the piston soon will be drawn out. Special tools of main engine liner, used for measuring inside diameter. Drawing out of main engine piston. It is also secure in a safe place working area. The important things to be checked is the condition of the piston rings and to be changed or renewed if necessary. In overhauling of the main engine piston, the stopping box and its connecting rods is also included to be checked. After cleaning of piston, to be secured, locked wire, hydro tested and changed new piston rings with new spec. And that's all for now for the main engine. Let's take a look again to this afternoon on what we installed to the scrubber.